First, extend the key blade using the side button on your Mazda 2 key fob. Locate the subtle release tab inside the key slot. It's a small plastic tab. Use a small screwdriver or plastic tool to gently press this tab inward. This unlocks the fob, allowing you to carefully pry the case apart. Use a plastic trim tool or guitar pick to avoid scratches. Gently separate the front and back covers, working around the edges. Avoid forceful prying to prevent breakage. This should expose the battery compartment. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR 2025 battery. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Use a non-metallic tool to gently pry the old battery out from under the retainer clip. Insert the new CR 2025 battery, ensuring the correct polarity. Snap the key fob case back together, making sure the clips are securely fastened. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm the new battery works. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and that the case is fully closed.